Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. What we're talking about today is the latest version of the Pro bins from Pro Home Products. They are sized specifically to fit in the Milwaukee Packout 4-drawer system. They don't fit in the 3-drawer or the 2-drawer. We have a 3-drawer system in production right now that will be coming out shortly, but right now I'm talking specifically for the 4-drawer system. Let me show you the options that we have available. So first thing I want to point out is that this is a big upgrade from our previous version. It is now made from durable PETG plastic, so it's much more impact resistant and will hold up over time. So the two sizes that we have available are the standard size and the large size. The standard size is exactly half the size of the large size, so you can mix and match whatever setup you want inside the drawer. So the first accessory I'm going to show you is for our standard size only. It is our bin divider. It comes in black or in red. Slips right into the notches that come in every bin, and it is intended to divide your space into two, so you could have two different types of nails, screws, fasteners, whatever you might put in there. The next accessory I'm going to show you is our label tabs. Every bin comes with a black label tab ready to go, and the intention is to put a printed label like so. If you would prefer to handwrite, you may want to consider our red option. Our red label tabs are sold separately. The last accessory I'm going to show you is my favorite, and it works for both the standard and the large, and that is our screw bit holder. So it's a label tab that also has the option to hold screw bits. Goes on exactly the same way as the label tabs. You throw your screws in. Now I have both the screws as well as the bits that coordinate with those screws. That way, I'm not looking around the job site with my bin of screws trying to find the bit that goes with it. As you can see, bits slide in and out very easily, yet they are very solid and do not fall out.